welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be teaching you about DDoS attacks. I want to be teaching you to be more specific. I'll be telling you what DDoS attacks are. Now I'm pretty sure that almost 90% of you watching this video have at least in your life once heard about DDoS attacks. I don't care if you know, if you don't, but if you don't know what DDoS attacks are, I'll be explaining you what they are in this video. So stay till the end of the video if you want to know what DDoS attacks are and how you can be safe from the DDoS attacks. So you're watching this video on youtube.com. So if you're watching this video on youtube.com or any other websites, probably you're watching this video on youtube.com. So that can be taken as a website. It actually is a website, and it's using some sort of web server to just host the website. Now you can see somebody here who is the attacker. So attacker can be anyone on the earth. Attacker can be, any normal person, but we don't know who the attacker is because the attacker just wants to remain anonymous, because if they don't, they will be arrested and punished. So before starting the video, what I'd like to tell you is that the video is just for educational purposes. If you're willing to be a DDoS attacker, or if you want to be DDoSing any web server or websites, this video is not promoting any kind of illegal activities. So this video is totally for educational purposes only, and in this video we will be looking at how the DDoS attacks work and how the victims can be protected or saved from the DDoS attacks. So first of all, what we have is a web server. Take an example, google.com. Okay, so here we have Google. So the Google is our target right now. Just an example. Let's say the google.com, or let's give another example. Let's say 1508 abc.com. Let's say this is a website here, and a certain hacker wants to attack this website. So what will the hacker do? So in order to DDoS the website, the hacker would try to use some bots or some computers just to hack, not to hack, but just to stop the web server from running. So it'll just freeze the web server. So before going on to the details of DDoS attacks, let us know what DDoS attacks are. So DDoS attacks basically means distributed denial of service attacks. So these attacks are just used in order to freeze the network in a certain server or for a certain website. So how this attacks works is going to be explained in this video. So first of all, let's take an example of this website. So let's say this website is being hosted on a great web server. So this can be handling, let's say, 1 billion users at a time. Let's say 1 billion plus users. So most of us know what happens when the user limit gets crossed in the websites. So the websites get overloaded and they can't function so properly. So let's say 1.5 billion people just doing the website. What will happen? The website will crash because it's not built to handle this large number of people. So this is the vulnerability that is taken as an advantage for the hacker. So what they'll do is try to create fake computers, virtual computers, or use the bots, or even gather the real computers army just by sending or deploying the viruses to real people's computer in order to get their task done. So they'll use the fake computers and just send fake signals and traffic to the website. So what the website will think is it's a real traffic and let it in. When the website lets it in, the game is over, because the website gets so many number of people just trying to request or get some data from the website that it just crashes. And the website can be crashed even for a day, an hour, a week, or even a year if the vulnerability is not found. So DDoS attacks are really scary, because if you're using a website that's not protected and is not having a good web hosting or some firewall, this can be a serious issue for you. So this is going to be really big problem. So in order to be safe and secure from this problem, what I'd like to tell you is not to leak your personal IP address, because the websites have public IP addresses. Take an example of google.com. Let's see what the IP of google.com is. Let's say I opened up google.com here. Now this is the website. Now what I'll do to find the IP address is open up a terminal like this, and after that what I'll do is ping www.google.com and I'll see the IP address of Google like this. So this is Google's IP. Let's see whose IP this is. And if we paste, it's located in the United States. So it's probably from Google or anyone else. Let's say this is an IP address from Google or any other website. So the attacker will try to attack this IP and just get generated lots and loads of people, and try to have a lot and load of traffic in the website or even a computer, so that it would be out of reach of an internet or network, because it cannot handle that. So the computer is going to be down and the purpose of the attacker is going to be over. So that's it for this video. In this video I explained you what DDoS attacks are. If you didn't like the video, just dislike the video. If you liked it, just go and like it.